So for this example, we'll press Shift A and we'll bring in a new text object. And let's just bring this out on the x-axis, RZ90, just so we have it facing us frontally. And we're just going to type in HardOps. And we'll press Q and font scroll, roll this through, maybe press F to get something a little more random. And that's a good, nice formal HardOps text. So we will just go ahead and extrude that to give it some depth. And let's just snap our cursor here, and we're just going to Shift A, add a cube. Even though there's a couple of ways we could have quickly put a shape there. Sometimes I like to default to classic just to see how it's doing. In fact, let's delete it. Let's do it another way that Blender has now, and that is with Blender's own little box cutter. And now we have a shape encompassing it, and then we want to exit. Sometimes it's just fun to just see what's going on. And so with these two, we can now select them both, perform a difference. And even though we're on exact, let's change that to fast just to keep things fast in this performance. And let's press Alt V and look at the wireframe. So even though all the outside geometry is just popping everywhere, the inside geometry has been optimized via a second degenerative pass added to clean mesh that is run on these objects. So we'll just place a loop down the middle just to make it formally clean. And now you can see that whenever I perform this operation, that the mesh isn't as messy as it used to be. In fact, older versions, the text would just come out slightly disastrous, possibly doubles would be happening and areas wouldn't even be merged together, because in order to shade text nicely, you have to put possibly an auto smooth on it. But when you convert it over to being merged with the mesh, you can't have any of that edge split business. You need to have it auto smoothing. So now we'll just shift click sharpen just to give it a little bit of improved shading there. But basically, all in all, we are now improving text on the way in when it comes to Boolean operations.